I'm doing an unboxing of the Apogee Boom audio interface. To be honest, I haven't actually used it. This is my first experience with this, but I have used a lot of Apogee products in the past, and Apogee is, one of the leaders in pro audio, and so I'm stoked to give this a try. They've got great preamps, great conversion, really clean leader in audio. So let's see what's in the box. Yeah, baby. This is gonna be rad. Boom. Okay. First things first. Packing slip. Okay, dude. Let me see. Okay. And to be straight with you, they actually sent this to me. So I didn't pay for this. I'm going to be doing a review. Let's see here. Okay. Now, what is in the box, dude? So as you can see, before I open it, it's got one input. So this is for solo, whatever, podcasters, YouTubers, gamers. Not going to be able to plug two microphones in at once, but that is all good. It comes with this EQ that you can use to enhance the sound of your show. Apogee Boom, 2 in, 2 out audio interface featuring built-in hardware DSP plug-in processing. That means that plugin that I showed you here, you can run this on your computer and it doesn't take any of your computer's resources, like any of the RAM or any of the processing power. The processing power actually comes from the audio interface. So that's what's dope. So, sometimes you're mixing and you're in like a big session and the computer starts to get bogged down because you have too many plugins and it can't harness all that power. But in this case, you're going to run Apogee specific plugins off the Boom, which is rad. Okay, so let's open this puppy up. Alrighty, we've got the warranty in here. I'm not one for warranties. I probably should be. I'll definitely register this thing so I can stay up to date with software updates and anything that I need to know. Oh, and I totally forgot. So let's just go through some of these highlights here. So the mic preamp offering 62 decibels of gain. That's huge. That's loud enough to power the quietest dynamic microphones, like a Shure SM7B. The built-in DSP, that's what I was talking about with the that plugin. It runs off the Boom rather than draining your computer resources. Loopback mode for live streaming, that's going to be dope because you can like play sounds and or music or whatever from your computer and incorporate that into your live stream. And for those of you who are trying to dabble in beat making, production, stuff like that, dude, Ableton Live Light trial. Or actually, look, Ableton Live Light is included, and then there's some other Apogee plugins that are included as a trial. Boom, Windows, Mac, you got it. Packaged nicely. Look at that clean purple, dude. Look how dope that is. Already stoked about the color. I thought it was gonna be darker than that, to be honest. It comes with a USB, so that's nice. Oh, it's one of these too. So it's a USB-A, but then boom, you can pop that off and it turns into USB-C. The other end is USB-C. That's rad. I've been seeing a lot of these. These are kind of like new, or I don't know if they're new. They're new to me. So I think that's dope because it just gives you options and you don't have to buy adapters. Okay, so let's try to take this out. Let's be gentle. Here we go. So you've got so you can record two things at once if you're using a 1/4 inch. So you could do like, if it's guitar, you could plug the microphone into here, plug the guitar into here, vice versa, or a keyboard into here, microphone into here, or this is 1/4 inch and XLR, so you could do two keyboards, whatever, a bass guitar and a regular electric guitar. This is the volume. for the headphones and for the speakers, the monitors. Speaker outs here, USB in here, and I'm not quite sure what this is. Oh, that's the headphones. Duh, so there's no headphones on front. This is the instrument and USB. The level monitors left and right for your speakers, headphones, USB. One thing that I've heard that I haven't used this yet, so I can't, well, it's confirmed, but I haven't experienced it yet, is when you plug the headphones in, you have to unplug the speakers and vice versa. So that could be a little annoying when you're mixing, if you like to check headphones and then speakers. If their speakers and headphones are plugged in, it disables both of them. So you would have to go to the rear and unplug the speakers, then plug your headphones in. It could be a pain, but regardless, stoked to give it a try. That's what's in the box, guys. The Apogee Boom audio interface. Let's do it.